Running into power connector issues with your graphics card? The JND 6-pin PCIe to dual Molex adapter provides a perfect solution. This 6-inch cable cleanly converts two standard 4-pin Molex connectors into a stable 6-pin PCIe power source for your video card. Crafted with premium 18 AWG oxygen-free copper cores, this adapter delivers clean, reliable power to your GPU. The flexible yet durable PVC jacket allows for easy routing in tight spaces while protecting against wear and tear. Measuring just 15 centimeters, this adapter gives you just enough length for neat cable management without excess clutter inside your case. Each package includes two adapters, great for multi-GPU setups or keeping a spare in hand. Upgrade your system connectivity today with JND Reliable Power Solution.